From my point of view, what we're trying to achieve is a claim service that is more proactive rather than reactive. My point of view, the insurance claims industry works very well, but it tends to be a slow process. I would think that prenomination of loss adjusters, of experts in policies helps a lot, and this will continue to happen because when there is a loss, the insured and the broker do not necessarily know who to call, who to instruct, how to use all those opportunities early on after the loss in order to mitigate any delay, mitigate any wrong expectations, for example. So prenominations, I think, is a key thing in this type of claims. When you've got an oil and gas claim, and the operator or the owner of the plant really knows their technology, it's hard to impose on them an outsourced expert like us, to tell them, well, this is how you should do things. We are not going to do things for them, but in reality, it's an emerging market. They need to understand that we have the technology, we have the experience to help them out, to basically process the claim a lot quicker with the loss adjuster, with the lawyers, with the insurers at the same time. You expect the claim service to be adequate. And I think it is. We as our outsourced experts or loss adjusters in their case help that process to be easy for the insured, easy for the brokers, and for insurers to pay the adequate amount of time and adequate amount of money, basically to put the insured back to a pre-loss condition and on time, save money, but do the right thing for everyone. I think one of the things I'm seeing on the latest sort of claims, and as I mentioned to you, appointing or pre-appointing experts or loss adjusters, in reality we're seeing that we're working a lot closer to the insured nowadays. We're not necessarily just an expert witness, for example, working for the lawyers or working for insurers, but also working closely to brokers, closely to the insured to make the claims process a lot easier and amicable, really.